Hi guys, Kohinoor Hyderabadi Biryani Kit aims to bring the restaurant style taste at your doorstep. So I decided to review this product and check it out ourselves. This is an easy to use kit. Even somebody new to the cooking would be able to make this biryani properly. This biryani kit from Kohinoor includes basmati rice, biryani masala and whole spices. You just have to add vegetables or chicken meat as per your choice and it will be ready in just 30 minutes. This pack is sufficient for 2 to 3 people. Nutritional value per 100 grams contain 286 calories, 5 gram protein and 6 gram fats. MRP of this pack is Rs 125, but it is available at a discounted price of Rs 90 at Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. Now let me show you what all this pack contains. This is Kohinoor biryani rice. Rice looks good. Quantity is just 200 grams. Next we have is whole spices which include black pepper, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon. The weight is 2 grams. And the last pack is the biryani masala pack which weighs 125 grams, and we have the recipe here. I'm not going in details of the recipe. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to cook this. Let's get started. First, we are going to wash the rice in regular water thoroughly 3-4 times as mentioned in the pack. Next, we will soak these rice in water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the rice and keep it aside. Next, we are going to boil 1 liter of water with salt and whole spices. Once the water starts boiling, we will add the soaked rice to the boiling water and cook till rice is half done. This will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. After that, switch off the flame, drain the rice and keep aside. Rice looks good. The grain comes out fluffy and separate just like you want it in the plate of biryani. Next, we are going to fry brown onions. So heat oil in a pan. Shallow fry onions on high flame. I took 4 medium size onion and it takes about 3 minutes for onion to turn golden. Keep this aside. Once it will cool, they will turn crispy. Next is biryani masala preparation. So add 3 spoons of oil in a pan. Next add 3 sliced onion. Saute it for 30 seconds. Next add veggies or chicken meat as per your choice. I have used capsicum, tomatoes and boiled potatoes. If you are making veg biryani, then we can also add soya chunks, peas that taste really good. And next we will add biryani masala. This gravy masala is the star component of this kit. It is also the most time saving part of the process. Cook till veggies are done. The final and the last step is layering. I am taking here the chapati tawa. On that I am placing a pressure cooker. You can keep a deep pan also and keep the flame on low. Make a layer of rice and then sprinkle some brown onions. When we are making biryani at home, we can control lot of things like amount and quantity of ghee, oil, choice of veggies, even the ratio of veggies to rice. Next is spread a layer of veggies and repeat this layering process one more time. Some onion, then rice, then veggies. And finally cover the lid. Do not close the pressure cooker. We are just going to cover and cook it for about 15 minutes on low flame. Biryani is ready, and coming to the taste, it tastes better than most top rated restaurants. It smells amazing, tastes good. Must try this if you are a biryani lover. This is actually one of the best biryani out of their 4 biryani kits. I found the flavor very appetizing and better than the one served in the restaurants. I hope you find the review useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.